you ever thought that the gas we use every day can travel almost 3,000 meters below sea level? But how did it get there? When we think of a ship, we imagine a vessel that transports people or goods. Today, however, we'll introduce you to something very different. The JSD6000, a modern pipelay and heavy lift vessel from Saipem's offshore fleet. The JSD6000 is a DP3 multipurpose vessel, meaning it can maintain position and stability in the open sea with extreme precision, even during highly complex operations. It's a true floating construction yard. Over 215 meters long, 49 meters wide, with an installed power of 55.7 megawatts and the capacity to accommodate nearly 400 people on board. Behind its name lies its mission. J for JLA and S for S-lay, two terms for laying underwater pipelines. The D, on the other hand, stands for Derrick, the large heavy lift crane capable of lifting and moving loads up to 5,200 tons. To better understand what it's like to work on a vessel of this type, we met Antonio Sallustio, Offshore Construction Manager who has been operating on the JSD6000 since 2023. He told us that the JSD6000 is a vessel designed to combine flexibility, capacity and stability. It can operate in both S-lay and JLA modes to adapt to different depths, diameters and operating conditions. Furthermore, thanks to the 5,200-ton heavy lift crane, it can handle very large structures, becoming a key asset for complex offshore projects. In S-lay mode, the pipe is assembled and welded on board, along a real production line. Once prepared, the pipeline is guided towards the seabed by a structure called a stinger, which supports it as it descends towards the seabed. Seen from the side, the pipe descent line takes on an S shape. This is a very effective method for large diameter pipes laid at moderate depths in the sea. On the JSD6000, the S-lay system can handle pipes up to 60 inches and has a holding capacity of up to 900 tons. In JLA mode, however, the pipe is not guided progressively and horizontally, but descends almost vertically from its tower. This geometry reduces curvature and therefore stress on the pipe, making the system particularly suitable for deep water. The JSD6000 has a holding capacity of up to 2,000 tons, even for the installation of triple and quadruple joints. Then we have the Derrick, one of the ship's most impressive elements that allows the installation or removal of large offshore structures, such as modules, foundations and components for offshore energy infrastructure. This combination makes the JSD6000 extremely versatile. It is not designed for a single operation, but to support multiple phases of an offshore project, from laying pipelines to lifting large loads for decommissioning activities to supporting deep-water operations. A vibrant floating community comes to life aboard the JSD6000, where up to 400 people from different countries work, live and share their daily routines in a truly multicultural environment. This international microcosm brings together technology, expertise and teamwork to deliver complex projects at sea. The JSD6000 has successfully delivered offshore projects all around the world, with record results from Australia to South America. These projects tell how global, complex and increasingly strategic offshore engineering is. And now it's about to set off on a new mission. We can't reveal where it is headed, but one thing is certain. Saipem's technology is about to conquer another piece of the ocean.